and welcome back to my channel. Well, yes sis, I'm going to come with my face today, so I don't know what time it is. No lashes on, so I'm going to do an eyelash application tutorial. So for all those persons that have been purchasing lashes from me, sis, here it is. Y'all have been asking and been patiently waiting, so I finally decided to help y'all with applying your lashes. So firstly, I want y'all to head over to my Instagram at It's Brit and ensure that you follow me. Follow me as well on my business page at Lashes, Accessories and Me. And by the way, I'm having a 10% off sale on all stock, so ensure that you head over to my page and look for the lash that I'm gonna feature today. Look out for it. And also follow me on Snapchat at ThatChickBrit and on Twitter at JellyCoconut. So y'all ready to glow up with me? Yes sis. And as you can see, my face don't look complete because me originally don't have no lash. So you see, my face don't look complete. It look naked like. And yes guys, me try a little thing with the eyeshadow. Realize that it a go on with itself. So I know I'm gonna go get some makeup tutorial and then something, but not for now. Yeah. So let's get into the video. Alright, so first things first, these are the first ever lashes that I got myself, and I also have them on my page. The name of these lashes are Princess, right? Let me give you a last look. Princess. So I've had these for about 4 years, and that describes the durability of my lashes. They last really long. As long as you take care of them and you don't yank on the weft right here, they will last very long. Okay? So the first thing that you need to know when you're buying a lash is how big you want to go. And I would advise you not to go so big on your first application, because guess what? It's going to be hard to apply it. This is way easier and you get the technique way better, because as you can see, this lash is a very thin lash. So it will be easier to see where exactly it's going on your eyelid, right? So I have three items. So one of them gonna go laugh at me about me doing business. You have to turn it and make fashion. So first item I have is my lash, of course. So number one, it will pop up right here. So the lash, my hair glue. I don't even know which glue this is. I think it's Salon Pro. I've had this for so long I can't even tell you. And that's another tip, guys. If you're gonna apply your lashes, you're gonna have to allow your wig glue or the glue that you're using on your lashes to age a bit. And when it's aged and it gets a bit tacky, that is the ideal time to apply your lashes. Why? Because the newer the glue, the more liquidy it will be, and the harder it will be to dry on your eyelid. So sometimes it will be shifting and moving, and then you know you really can't get it where you want it to go. So you'll be there moving your hand, and then all of your eye will be messed up, and you don't want that, because some of us put eyeshadow before lashes like me, so that's a big problem. So this now, alright, so this, me come up with an idea before I start this video, and I said this could be a good way to show you guys how to apply it directly to the weft instead of getting it all over the place, because this is staying. I can't talk from experience. If anywhere you go, it's staying. I don't like to feel it on my skin because it's thick and then you have to rub it off. Yeah. So you can get a toothpick. This is not a toothpick, this is a matches stick. So you get a matches stick, cut the bulb off or cut the end off that you can strike to light it, and then you will have this left. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it to apply the glue to my lashes. Alright, so today we're going to use our fingers. I'll do another video using my eyelash tweezers, and yes, you have specific. You have specific tweezers that you use for applying eyelashes. I'll get into that in the next video. So first thing, when you're taking out your lashes, ensure that you take it from the end like this. Don't tug on it too much and try to get a hold of the weft itself, right? And also you need to put it against your face and say, okay, this is the left eye and this is the right eye, and obviously this is the right eye. So first you take a good look at it. Is it too long for my eye? A lot of people do eyelash tutorial and they never show you when exactly they cut the lashes. And you know, I've been wearing this for a while, so you definitely know I did already try to cut it to fit my eye. So what I see some persons do is actually find somewhere to put the glue, but I usually just put the glue on a piece of paper and then I just apply it, or I just directly put it on there. So what you can do, since most of you might have a new lash glue, you can just allow it to come down in the and this is a very old glue. It has cracks, it has a lot of stuff, so please bear with me. I'm trying, and this glue is trying too. It's holding on for dear life, so I'm trying to get some down. Hopefully this don't mess up the place.
Oh my God!
Same thing me I say. But this is what I always do. I just put it back right there. So there I have it right there. So it's on the top. That's perfect. Don't have to worry. You see what I'm talking about? It feels so gross on my finger.
So guys, you're just gonna add your lash glue to the matches stick and then put it on the weft, but please ensure that enough is on there because sis, it will fall off.
Alright, so it's completely covered with glue. Alright, that's how it's supposed to look. So ensure that the ends get enough too, because you know sometimes the lash can flick off when the breeze blow too hard. Just ensure so you get enough. You can't be too stingy with the glue as well, but as you can see guys, it's already getting tacky. It's already getting tacky, so that means that I still need to put it on my lash. So for the persons that are gonna buy a new glue after this video, you can also blow on it to make it get tacky. So I've been blowing on it for a while now. So, and first things first, what I do sometimes is to bend it like this. So bend it. Gotcha. Guys, remember, so me telling us I'm not pro at this, so you're gonna make a few mistakes, but that's how you go. Bend it, pull down this little bit, put in the middle first. Alright, so this don't feel like it's going so good. So what I'm gonna do now is to push it on more with more force. Ensure that it's not on my real lashes, it's actually on the skin, and then I press it down. So you just press it down, press it down, press it down, press it down. Alright, did it drop off? And you will have that sometimes. So sis, all you have to do, hold the lash, pull the glue off a bit, and start all over again. As you can see, I'm still not a pro. I'm still actually learning. So here's my glue. Let me try this one more time. So apply it directly to the weft.
So get your glue, apply it to the weft, ensure enough glue is applied or else it will fly off, as I said before. So after you apply your glue, you're gonna blow on it for it to get tacky. This is how it should look. Bend it, and then you're just gonna try to put it on.
So look careful, look. Whoa, you look carefully, guys. Alright, watch out. You come out a bending state where I did, you know. Guys, it's not easy, you know, trust me. This is not easy. Sometimes you have to hold on your actual lashes. Why? Jesus have mercy. Look here. So you're just gonna press it on like that. Ensure that the glue is in place. It is. But guys, look. You can see the big difference, like, oh my god. You see why you need lashes, guys?
So guys, I'm applying my second lash. As I said before, apply the glue directly to the weft. Ensure that it's spread evenly from the top to the end. I'm so excited. Alright, let it blow a bit in the air so the glue can get tacky. That's how it's supposed to look. Don't mind me biting my lip, it's a habit when I'm trying to concentrate. This is harder than it seems, guys. Okay, one failed attempt. Okay, good ya go on. Alright sis, press on a little bit more. Yeah girl. Yeah you. Alright, come through. Set so. Next way. Yes sis. Take up your phone now. Re.
So guys, this is the final look. Alright, so guys, this is the end of my lash tutorial. I hope that you liked it, and please head over to my lash page to cut these lashes. The name of them are Princess. They're short and they're for the persons that want to learn how to put on lashes. They're very subtle. They're not so extra like some of my lashes. So guys, please check out my lash page, and thanks to the persons that have been supporting my lash page. I see you guys. Thanks for supporting a black business. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.